How to update BIOS on your laptop. Step 1. Check your current BIOS version. 1. Press Windows plus R. Type MSIinfo32, hit Enter. 2. Look for BIOS version date, note it down. Step 2. Find your laptop manufacturer. Go to your laptop brand's official support website. HP, support HP.com. Dell, Dell.com. Support Lenovo, support Lenovo.com. Asus, Asus.com. Support Acer, Acer.com. Support MSI, MSI.com. Support. Step 3. Download the latest BIOS. Enter your laptop model number on the website. Go to the Drivers and Download section, select BIOS firmware, and download the latest version. Step 4. Plug in your laptop. Always keep your laptop connected to power during the BIOS update. A power failure during BIOS flashing can damage your system. If the update file is .exe, just run it as administrator in Windows. Follow on-screen steps, your laptop will restart automatically and update BIOS. Don't turn off or press any keys during the process. Back up your important data before updating. Use official manufacturer tools only. Avoid updating BIOS unless you're fixing a problem or need new hardware support.